MK Scrapper UK. Couldn't come to you earlier on. My neighbour's fence was being fixed and they were playing music, and we all know we can't play music. So we just got some little bits of metal here, some switches on there, looks like come off an oven. I've got this lawnmower, push along lawnmower, and it works, complete with the box to catch the grass. And it pushes along fine. A little bit difficult, but it pushes along just fine. So a lamp broken in half, but we'll get the cable out and scrap that out. And this box, that is, it's like a Freeview aerial. I was like, okay. I looked in there. I'm not being funny, but it looks like it's in there. I don't need one, but you never know who will. And just some other little bits and bobs of metal and the wheel. Quick release. If it spins alright, I'll be using that. And I also got a little scooter made of alley, and it's got some steel on it, but that's at my old man's, and he's gonna scrap that out for us, you know. And that's it for today's finds. So not bad for just around the estate, you know. Yeah, these two things were together. I was like, okay, looks there to me. Have a look at it properly shortly. Okay, this is the little scooter. It's not in too bad a condition, but there's no rear brake attached there, so we're just going to scrap that. But this base is all alley, so we're going to strip it. Okay. Just a couple of armatures there that the old man's been trying to strip out. I just told him to leave it and take him as they are. And this is the copper he stripped out of the motor of that. So that's been stripped out, and that's what he got from it. So there's a couple of boards in there, and I think that's it for around here. I don't know if I showed you these. The TV's working. There is a screen issue though. I think I've got to take the screen out, clean it, put it back together. Working and working. I'm not 100% sure if I showed you, but I'll show you again anyway. And a little bit of scrap metal. Awesome. Okay, so I was just looking at this Vision Plus digital antenna. Ideal for caravans, camper vans, canal boats, speedboats, trucks. 3 poles. And that's what it looks like. Let's just turn this box over. And that's basically showing you a diagram of how it goes. And there it is. Well, I'm not being funny, but that looks brand new to me. Even still got zip locks on the poles, apart from one. But that's all wrapped up nice, look. So that'll just go in with market stock. So just thought I'd quickly show you that. This is some stuff from before Christmas. Unfortunately you missed this because I weren't making YouTube videos then. So this is copper 2 chloride made with burning some copper wire and dropping it into the HCl. That one's got some right filth on top of there. it has been in there a while, so this has got to be processed, and it can be put with my other gold foils, as long as it went well. I imagine it did. So we're going to do that in a video soon, and then we'll refine what we've got. Okay, so that's a gold recovery video to look forward to. I showed you that because I got my lawnmower out. Got to cut the front grass. So that's that. And Hoovers. So that's what we're going to do. These ones are pretty dead in water. I was thinking about repairing this one, the Dyson. Geezer used to sell Dysons, £25 on the market, refurbished. But this is all cracked here. It's all cracked there. You're going to have to replace that. And if you remember this one, all that was broken in there. You're literally going to have to replace that as well. And it just doesn't work out to be worth it in the end. So this is going to be for parts. We'll see if the motor's running. We'll look up the make and model, see if any of the parts are worth selling first. So that's why I'm putting this Dyson on. Okay, so this cover might be sellable, the motor, the wheels, who knows, but we'll look into that. So that'll be next. And we got this shark, not much of it. NV61 UK. We will try and pull the motor out there. What's this one? Hoover model BR71. So you know, if they're valuable enough, you know, you can sell the parts, especially if the motors are working. So what's this one? Goblin ECV002B-19. I'm not sure there'll be anything worth saving on this one, but we'll just look at what parts are available before we strip them down. So there's 4 there, and I'm going to stop the video here, go look online, see if anything's worth anything, and we'll continue from there. Okay, so we had the Hoover BR71, no parts, but was like the accessories, you know, like the little brushes that come with it and stuff. The Goblin had some accessories. The Shark had all parts but no motor, and the Dyson, there was nothing for the Dyson. It's probably because it's an old one, but we'll still check the parts. Why not? And possibly put them online. Like I said, people like Shark, highly valuable. Dyson, even though it's old, still highly valuable, sought after Hoovers. So that's what we'll do, and we'll rip them apart next. Okay, that's a Shark motor out. There it is. And it was actually quite difficult. Had loads of security screws in it. Couldn't find the right one out of the packet I brought. I had to use this. On the side edge there, there's security holes, on the other edge there isn't. But it weren't deep enough to get right down, so some of it I had to smash with a little hammer. But still, that's the first one. So that's the Shark. Okay, get on with the next one now. Alright, this is the second one. But unfortunately, this isn't one you guys saw. It was a Titan. It's just this little mess here. The old man couldn't get the screws out, and I did. So that's 2 anyway. Alright, on with the next one. Okay, this is motor number 4. This is from the Hoover. There's an armature in the middle. I wasn't sure about around the outside because it's really dusty. It's hard to see the copper. So dusty on the inside there. That's motor number 4. Now we'll crack on with this Dyson. Okay, that is the Dyson motor out. Proved to be a little bit difficult. I've taken a nut off that side. I've whacked it with a hammer, as you can see. I can see screws coming through there. I can't see any more screws. Looks like there might be a leaf edge attached around the edge. I've tried to get a screwdriver in there and I can't. So I'm not sure how I'm going to get that off. But anyway, that's number 5. And with nice and dusty in there too. See an armature in the middle. None of these motors are going to go on eBay. I'm just going to strip them. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 5 motors we've got to strip, and that will be with our copper strip down when we do all our bits and bobs with the copper. Our Chasing the Copper series, which won't be long. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.